Hello John, today in this video we're going to be talking about external CSS. As we previously mentioned from my first video of CSS, I talk about we having different methods where you can link our HTML to CSS, and in this video we are going to be talking about how you can link your external CSS to your HTML and start styling your HTML element. So now we need to open up this folder inside our favorite visual code editor, which is Visual Studio Code here, and then definitely we want it to open up fully, and I want to quickly check if I should create my I definitely want to create my index.html file, which is going to contain all our HTML elements, and then go ahead to close it and also bring out the HTML document structure with the control/1 to control and 1, which is going to bring the exclamation mark. I would definitely want to change the title also to how to link to external CSS, because definitely after we create a new CSS file, we are definitely going to link them together. And my body tag join together because I'm using this extension here, Prettier. So I want to definitely open it up back, and I want to add heading 1 tag here, and definitely write hello world inside as to a content whereby I can be checking out what's happening from my code. So after doing this, I want to open it up inside browser. I will right click and then copy path. Make sure you have saved, and then I'm going to go to my browser and paste what I copied, hit on enter, and it's going to show my text. And I definitely want to increase the size, so we are going to be seeing it well. So control plus equals to sign will give you this. So this my hello world. Let's style it with our previous ways of styling, which we call the inline styling. And I want to change the color here to be equals to red with the inline styling, which is the first method I treated in this video, CSS video. And then you can see here we have definitely our color being changed, but this is not the aim of this tutorial. The aim of the tutorial is to show you how to do external CSS, but that doesn't stop me from showing you the first two ways we used before, which is the inline and internal. This is the internal one. I selected my H1 and then I change the color to blue, and it's going to be changed. That's exactly how to do it with inline and internal CSS. So I believe by now you have no differences between the inline and external CSS, and today in this video we are going to treat external CSS. For external CSS, we definitely want to create a new file for our CSS. So all our CSS code will be linked and will be put inside this file. I name it styles.css. So while creating your HTML file, we have index.html, but during creating the CSS, we have the style.css. So we have a link tag here where we are going to put the style.css. We are going to link it together with our CSS that we just created and save. So here I can now select the H1 that I want to style, and then I can give it probably I can give it a background color, or give it a background color of gray. So I'm going to be giving it green background color, and I definitely want to check what's happening inside my browser. So by refreshing, I have a very good background color here, and I can definitely go ahead to change the color also and keep adding more and more styling I want to add. So that's basically what you can do with external styling, and from this time on we are going to be using external CSS for our styling. See you in the next one. Bye bye.